So to begin, I'm just going to create a base with some concealer for my eyeshadow. Here I am just setting that concealer with a little bit of a bone-colored eyeshadow to create a neutral base. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Gemstones Obsessions palette, and I'm using the two center purple colors to create the base layer of eyeshadow on my eyes. So after I make that first base layer of eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the Colourpop Supernova shadow. And I love this eyeshadow, that's why I made that face. I feel like it's an excellent dupe for the Stila foiled shadows. I don't remember their exact name, but they're really beautiful. And since I have almond-shaped eyes, what you're seeing me do here is really focus on the shape that I'm creating with this product. So I'm focusing it on the inner corner of my eye all the way out into the center, and I'm building kind of like a half moon shape with the shadow on my eye right now. So for the next step, I'm just going to be going in with my Kat Von D Silver Autograph Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just using this in my inner corner so that my eyeshadow, when I put it over it, really pops. Now I'm just using the Huda Beauty palette again and using the warmest purple shade to cover up the silver highlights so that it looks more lavender. For the next step, I'm just going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder to create an even base. Here I am just taking a warm brown eyeliner pencil, and I am using that to create a slight wing so that it accentuates my eye shape. Next, I'm going to be contouring, and I'm just taking a Wet n Wild contour stick that is basically the same color as my skin to mark out where I want to put my contour and powder over it. After I contour with cream, I'm just going over that and setting it with a powder. Now I'm just shaping my eyebrows with a little spoolie, and I'm going to go over that with Colourpop's clear brow gel to set it into place. So for the next step, I'm going to be using mascara. However, because I don't like using false eyelashes, I'm going to be applying 3 different layers of 3 different mascaras. Now I'm just taking my Kiko Milano highlighting stick, and I'm highlighting with a cream first. To complete my highlight, I'm just going over the cream with a champagne colored powder. Here I'm just applying the slightest bit of blush along my cheekbones. And finally, to complete this look, I'm just highlighting underneath my brow bone and using some lip gloss. And that's it. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and go be great in your lavender.